This is Michael from ReplicaAirguns.com. I'm going to be doing a shooting review of 3 EKOL guns, and the first one I'm going to be doing is the EKOL Volga here. I'm going to be shooting 3 rounds out of this gun, and then I'm going to follow this up with the Dicle, and then I'm going to do the Jackal Dual. So let's start with this gun. We're going to shoot 3 rounds. So we're chambered, ready to go. Alright, we have the Dicle, and this is another 3-round firing test. And by the way, I'm using Fiocchi ammunition in all of these guns, so let's get right to it. Alright, and here we go. Last but not least, we have the EKOL Jackal, and this is a semi and full automatic pistol, and so we're going to fire off 2 rounds in semi and then 8 rounds in full auto. Here we go. We're going to switch it to full auto and get ready. Thanks again for watching one of my replica airgun videos, and don't forget to get in on the 500 subscriber contest where you can win a PPK BB pistol, and you have to be a subscriber, and check out the 500 subscribers contest for more details on that. Thanks for watching.